Hello there guys, it's me Imran from OnceFlyRock Studios. And as you can see, we've been working on a project and it's quite of a software model which takes data in and out from our database. So if you search for any particular name, we can see it gives us data back. We can also view all of our simple data from in here by viewing all. And also it can insert data. Let's suppose first things first, let's search for 𝕼𝕠𝕗𝕥𝕚, and we see that there are no search results in there for 𝕼𝕠𝕗𝕚. So if we insert some kind of dummy data, say 𝕼𝕠𝕗.com, and some kind of random number, okay, and insert it. And now if we search for this data, we get this. So this is quite some model. We are getting data in and out from our database, and it's quite a good model, and we are making quite some breakthroughs. So ciao.